Within this video, we will show you how to write content to storage. So writing content to storage is slightly different than writing to storage in general, because you write by a key. So you can actually fill in which key it goes to. And from there, you can also, with this key, get this data later. So to do this, we do write content to storage. We have to select a key. And in this case, the key is import ID, which in this case is 14. We already made a storage, which is right to content to storage. Yes. So the path of the storage will be products, and the source path will be data. So we're writing all of the data towards that storage in the key products. So once we run that, we go to the storage that's already made. We refresh this page. We see that the key 14 is available right now. And within that, we can see the products. If we go back and we, for example, change this key to, let's say, 18, we run the test one more time. We go back to the storage. We will see that the key 18 is saved as well. And that's how you write content to storage.